2014 Infiniti Q60 all-wheel drive Sport. What we got done on it for you guys and girls. Stock converters there, then flex pipes on each side, then it wires into a single, then we did a resonator delete in the middle, and we did a muffler delete in the back there and there. And then we put 5-inch blue flame tips because it fits it perfectly and it looks really nice from the side. You guys can see, gives it that exotic look, which I love. There and there. There's the resonators we cut off. There's the muffler we cut off. They needed it so it can breathe. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it, and like always guys, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Infiniti Q60. Woohoo! That sounds so good. There's 7 decibels. It hit 122 earlier. It sounds so good. There's an idle on it. What do you guys think? Let us know. Infiniti Q60. Infiniti Q60. We might be working on the McLaren next. We'll see. There's the Infiniti Q60 S Coupe. Straight pipe, true duals with 5-inch blue flame tips.